Meaning of flapjack.
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 Flapjack. A flapjack is a type of sweet snack or dessert that is popular in British cuisine. It is made by combining oats, butter, and sugar, and then baking the mixture until it is golden brown and crispy. The resulting flapjack is typically quite dense and chewy, with a rich, buttery flavor and a slightly caramelized sweetness. It is often served as a snack or dessert, and can be enjoyed on its own or topped with a variety of fruits, nuts, or other toppings. Overall, flapjacks are a delicious and satisfying treat that is enjoyed by many people around the world.